Have you ever flooded the bathroom in your RV?
Well, we sure have, and that's what we're fixing to show you. Hey y'all, I'm Dawn.
And I'm Cole.
And we are younger every day.
Basically, we bought a fifth wheel, sold all our stuff in Texas, packed up the kids and the dog, and headed west.
Now he's going to school and we are loving this crazy life.
Click subscribe and join the Younger Gang so you can join our community. And don't forget to ring the bell so you get notified every time we share a new video.
And if you haven't seen some of our other videos, you can click right up here to get all caught up. On this channel, we share tips and tricks for RV living, do product reviews, and share our crazy struggles, just like this one.
So we just learned what happens when you drain the bathtub and it's already got a slug of bath water in the gray tank, and the hose is not open because our other hose blew out on the way to Morgan Hill, and I haven't ordered a new one yet. And so I've been swapping them back and forth. I didn't swap it back. I knew Haley was taking a bath. I thought, oh, I should swap the hose so that when she drains it, it won't overflow, and I didn't do it.
So Haley was taking a bath and decided to drain the tub without getting out so that she could watch what was happening. So now you've got water everywhere. It went down out of the door, soaked her clothes, soaked everything on the stairs. On the stairs, it's gotten the carpet wet, and now apparently it's leaking into the basement. Cole saw.
Basement's flooded because it went in the heater vent. So I was just out here trying to air up the tire on the Suburban, and like it has like shreds cut inside of it. That's what I was doing when this happened. I just can't take this more stuff. Dang it, I knew it. I thought to myself, I need to go put the hose on so that it'll be ready for her.
So now we're having to clean this up. We're gonna have to clean out the basement. Always make sure that your gray tank is open if you're taking baths or before draining a bath or whatever. Make sure that you're paying attention as it drains out into the pan so this doesn't happen.
Water dripping out of our heater duct. There is a good 1/8 of an inch of water in our basement now. Started trying to pull stuff out so that it doesn't ruin anything more than may already have been ruined. Well, I'm thinking I better go start from the other side because it's going to ruin all our school supply stuff.
That's our bathtub, and when we drain it, it flows into the pan, but if the pan gets full, then it overflows onto the floor. It's good times.
But it'll smell like a watery ducky doll.
Haley, go ahead and get out of the tub and get dried off so I can clean up in there. No one's mad at you, baby, okay? You didn't know any better. How's it going, Haley? Okay, I need to come in there. It's taking a really long time. Oh, we gotta get this floor clean before it ruins it. Let's come up here where you can actually see what's happening. Okay, dry your feet off. Hopefully the gray tank is open now.
So, bathtub's a great idea unless you forget to leave your gray tank hose connected and leave it open when people are taking baths. Not a good sight. Water dripping down from your heater duct and water being everywhere in your basement. Not exactly what you want.
Fun times.
So much water. I guess we'll find out how water resistant or waterproof these Home Depot boxes are. Haley's gymnastic mat.
Go ahead and drain the bathtub the rest of the way since the gray tank's open now. The water just keeps seeping out from under everything. Dry it. And it just gets wet again.
Yeah, there's a whole bunch of them.
There's water everywhere. I think that's about as good as it's gonna get for right now. Hopefully it dries out. Now we gotta go dry out all the stuff in the bottom.
All right, so you can see water is pretty much not as bad as it could have been in the basement, but that's not good right there. A bunch of water dripping out of our duct to the furnace, our heating vents. Not good. And these are boards covered with carpet. You can see that.
I'm showing you the water in our basement.
Shoot. I guess I'm gonna have to take these panels off so we can see what it looks like inside there.
That's not good. Water in the electrical cords. Woohoo! That, good sir, is a lot of water. Hey, look, there's inside. By Jove, so much water. And here's the vent. Did you get on that? Dun dun dun!
Thanks. All this metal pieces and stuff up in there. Little shards and things. I guess most of that's just from our ductwork. It's not exactly from the tub. Maybe running the heater is all we need to do to dry it out. But in here, I don't know what to do to dry this out either. I mean, this part's not been this wet before. But certainly with that water heater leak, it was pretty messed up. I guess everything else, it just leaked out. But it was like, I opened the door you're looking in now, and water was dripping down from the top of the door frame. It was crazy. So, we love the bathtub. We've got to be careful not to overfill the gray tank by draining the tub. Looks like we're okay. I mean, everything will dry out, I suppose, so that's nice. The carpet will dry. We'll run the heater to dry the ductwork out, and hopefully everything will be clean and dry and mold free. I'm just glad we saw it when we did. At least that shower pan gave us a little bit of catch, but it would have been better if Haley had seen the water in the shower pan and stopped draining the tub. But well, it took a little time, but I got everything cleaned out of the basement. Soaked up all the water with towels that Dawn brought me and let everything air out. And now I think we're finally ready to load everything back in. Of course, I do think I might ought to sweep it first, so we'll do that first. Well, I don't think it's been this clean since it was brand new. So now I'll put all the stuff back in. We keep our flush hose hanging on the electrical cord rack because it seems like a good easy place for it, as well as our other hoses. All right, now I'm ready to get the stuff back in. So let's do it.
Well, that was definitely not my favorite moment.
I didn't love it.
Nor was it my proudest moment either.
We all have hard days.
Sometimes the stress gets the best of you. So now we've shared our RV flooding experience with you.
Now we want to know, have you ever flooded your RV? Tell us about it in the comments below.
I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give us a thumbs up and let us know you liked it. And don't forget to join the younger gang by subscribing. So, letting your kid take a bath in the RV and drain it, resulting in a flood that I knew I could have prevented, but really was ultimately caused because the sewer hose blew out along with the Y fitting on our way to Morgan Hill when the tailgate dropped and I didn't even know about it. Sadly, that's another way that we're living younger every day.
It's true. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.